Hi, I'm Margaret, and I've got another muffin for you today. This time it's apple and coconut. So, muffin case is sorted out. Let's start with the topping. I only put 2 tablespoons of coconut in at first, but I decided later on that it really needed 30 grams, so I've changed the recipe here to show that. Once this is made, it can be put to one side to be used later. These muffins are easy enough to put together. Dry ingredients first, wet ingredients, and finally the coconut. I do like my cinnamon. I'm sure I put in far more than half a teaspoon here. It must have been a heaped teaspoon instead. Now, when an apple's cut, as soon as it gets in contact with the air, it can start to go brown. Usually, you can try to prevent this by leaving it in water with a little lemon juice until you need it. But when you grate apple, there's so much of the surface of the apple that's in contact with the air. It's really difficult to keep it from going brown. Luckily, it doesn't really matter in this recipe. The apple here is just incorporated into the mixture and gives it a lovely flavour. But if any of you cooks out there have some good ideas on how to stop it going brown like this, please let me know. I'd love to hear them. Finally, add the coconut. Mix it until it's just incorporated, and that's it. These muffin cases need to be filled right up to the top, no skimping with the mixture. That's how we get the nice dome on top, which is typical of a muffin. Not finished yet. All that mixture is going to be used in those cases. You can see here how I've added more coconut to this mix. This is going to make a lovely crispy topping. Pile it up on each one. Every single bit of this topping is going to be used here. There we go, lovely and golden and coconutty on top. These are great on their own, or with a cup of tea, or for breakfast with yoghurt and fruit. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe today. If you do try making these, let me know in the comments. It'd be great to hear how you got on. If you enjoy watching them, please like and subscribe. There's a new recipe every Monday. Well, have a good week. Catch you soon.